Wagwan, my people. Right now over there in a Black River. Alright. Well, heading into Black River right now. I'm kinda happy, guys. As you guys can see behind me, look. So them posts stand up straight. Yeah man, so I'm seeing signs of recovery on my way to Black River. Now guys, what I'm doing today is the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. Now I want to see what go on in our Black River, because you don't know every town of them Christmas Eve, what we call it, Grand Market. You don't know in the towns. Black River used to be one of them towns there where Grand Market warm when I come on to the 24th, which is Christmas Eve. Now we are going to head in a Black River. We want to see what go on for Christmas Eve for Grand Market in a Black River. But guess what? I'm not going to stop and show you. Look at that. Post them straight down the line. Signs of recovery for Black River. We're heading a Black River town.
So come on and join me. They're on exploration across the island. Don't miss this history.
So come on and check out this channel, Duali's YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. You hear? Thank you.
Yeah, my people, so this was where the park was. They call it now the Emancipation Park. Oh no, this is not the Emancipation Park. What they call it again? Well, this was a park. I don't remember the name of the park right now, but this was a park. And over this side was used as the bus park, taxi park. I understand. Now, but in one section of the area where it used to be booming right now, but I really see not much go on this side. I understand the things that, look at things are going on over in the supermarket. Yeah man, so that's what was remaining at the church. Remaining at the church right there, North Street and High Street. So we're gonna go up on High Street. Well, it seems like them block off High Street, but we're gonna see if we can walk and go around them people. Yeah, my people, so you there. So I go on, as Mr. Signs of recovery. Like where I go up and thing, my people. As you guys can see. Post them up like where I go up on the main. Man them at work. Show them what time it is. Men are at work. I love the sign of this. So we're heading at the town now, people. So I go inside of the town. Yeah, my people, so this is the market. And as you guys can see, nothing now going on at the market right now. That's a thing now going on the market right now. We are going on High Street now. That's why we are going on High Street side, but I realize that not much now go on this side. Alright my people, so we're up on High Street. High Street, the one on the street that will normally be a very busy street in Westmoreland. Now High Street look like this today. Show no what I'm gonna tell. So this is High Street right now. Christmas Eve. This is High Street Christmas Eve, my people. So the most productive thing we still have right now is that JP struck them. They're at work. Supermarket over there, SNC Open. That's courts right here, my people. As I say, now Mellisa one of the busiest streets, you know. Black River. This is how it is on Christmas Eve. So just probably two. So that's one supermarket there, SNC, and I think Super Plus open as well. Super Plus down at the lane here, so two supermarkets on High Street open back. It's now so it's now Max Foods. But it used to be Super Plus. It's now Max Foods. So I just a master my people them on it. So yeah, we are going on North Street now because I hear music up here on North Street, so it seems like around us things that happen. So we are walking around on North Street now, my people. Used to be juicy beef. This was kosher bun. This was kosher bun for people. That was kosher bun. Black River tax office. That was the tax office for people. The market right there, my people. In our rubbles. It's the market there in rubbles. Alright guys, so right now I'm in the vicinity of the fire station, Jamaica Fire Brigade, Black River Fire Station. And as I said before, I know I hear music. Yeah. Most things in a rubble right now, people, but I know I hear music, so there's a little vibe of the grand market thing still going on in a Black River, you know? So there is still a sign of Grand Market vibe here in Black River. Still a sign of Grand Market vibe in Black River people. In the vicinity of the St. Best Pharmacy. Yeah, man, we see the good side of the Grand Market vibe for going, you know? People. So even though Black River in that stage, yeah, people still are, you know, still in a little Grand Market type of vibe. So despite everything the people love to still have a little Grand Market vibe going, you know? Despite everything going on, Black River still have a little Grand Market vibe going for people. So despite the rubble way, Black River in a right now. Yeah, enough section of Black River in a rubbles right now. Black River still have a little sign of the Christmas spirit, the Grand Market vibe going on. You see me? Even though them in the state of them in right now, look. But up at the top of North Street I do it for Grand Market there in a Black River. But we walk I show a few more little places and see where the Grand Market vibe are going in a Black River. Some people while heading out but noticed something to really catch my attention. This was the Emancipation Park. This was Emancipation Park. Now I realize the people that it seems like over here so them dump most of the debris. Really though? It seems like over here so them dump most of the debris will come from out of the town. Why is that so? This was the Emancipation Park, you know, in a Black River. The amount of event and thing keep over here, so nice grassland, lawn grass and thing. This wasn't nice little spot in the town. You know what them turning into the dump, now the makeshift dump. It seems like Jaja. Black River not look good at all. But they have to stop and show me this. So far, the best thing we may see right now is that the street light, the light pole them a go up. So it seems like them definitely are gonna work on the power.